Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all lock screen methods available on OPPO A60. So in order to find all of them, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, we need to go to security and privacy. Over here, we need to go to the device unlock. And finally over here, we have screen lock. Let me enter my lock screen password. And over here, we have three methods that we can use. The first one is numeric, which I currently use. And of course, it's pretty simple. You need to enter digits that you need to, of course, remember. You can also tap on use a different password type in order to switch from 6 digits, which is by default, to 4 to between 4 and 16. We can also choose alphanumeric and pattern. If we go back, then over here we can also choose alphanumeric. First, I need to enter my old password. And now I can use numbers and characters to create a password. So in this case, I can also use letters. This one reminds the password itself more than any other. And of course, we also have pattern, where we will need to draw lines from one dot to another. And we need to connect at least 4 dots. And once we draw it, then we will use the pattern instead. In addition to that, we also have face and fingerprint unlock, and these work only if you have at least one method selected for the screen lock. So we need to use one of these in order to be able to use face or fingerprint unlock method. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.